beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today is another day of a vlogmas where I'm uploading a brand new video every single day. Today I'm super excited. I'm going to be filming a one palette tutorial using the HUDA Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. I've not used this palette yet. I'm so excited to finally get tucked into it. I have no clue what I'm going to do just yet. I think I'm just going to go off the floor. If you are new here, by the way, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so I know to do more of these in the future. And it also really helps out my channel to get my channel out there to other people as well. And don't forget to enter my huge giveaway linked down below. Let's just get straight into it. So I'm going to start with a big fluffy brush, just like this. This is one from Girls with Attitude. I won like a giveaway on Instagram or Twitter and won some of their brushes. And I'm going to start with this middle matte shade, more like an orangey one. And I'm going to start by kind of tapping it and blending it into the crease, more as like a transition kind of shade. I'm also just going to take the same brush because I'm way too lazy to get different brushes for underneath my eyes. And I'm going to use this, oh, my eyelashes are stuck together. I'm going to use this just underneath the eye. Just dead messy to be fair, because we'll go in with the darker shades to kind of define it a bit. It's just to blow out a little bit. So I'm just going to continue tapping that in and just blending it just until I get to the right kind of, I don't know, depth and colour, pigmentation that I'm after. And then I think we'll go in with a darker shade to deepen this up a little bit. So to deepen that up, I'm going to be taking a Morphe M411 brush, which is a little bit smaller of a fluffy brush, can't say my word out then, than the one that we've just used. And I'm going to go in with this shade here, just another matte one. And again, just put this into the crease. Just I won't blend it as like far. Ooh, I took the little plastic thing off. So I'm going to tap it into the crease and then blend it even further. And I'm going to hold the brush even further down the handle than what I'd used the other one, because obviously it is a more pigmented shade, so I do want that definition there, but I don't want it to be kind of overpowering. I want that other colour to still kind of shine through. And I'm literally going to do the same thing again and just put this underneath the eyes, but more so this time focusing on this outer bit and not bringing it all the way in like we did the other one. This kind of ties it all together and kind of links the top bit to the bottom bit. And then I'm just going to do the exact same thing but on the other eye. So I can't decide which glitter to put on. That's the glitters on the back of the hand. There's also, I think that's a shimmer in the bottom left hand corner. Yeah, there's a shimmer as well, but obviously, I mean, is it a shimmer? It looks like it's a shimmer. It might actually be a matte. No, it's definitely got a little bit of something in it. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with the more goldy one and just see what that one's like and put this kind of on the front part of my lid. I need a wipe. So, like I said, I'm going to go in with this more goldy toned one. I don't know if you can actually tell in the palette. It just looks like that. I'm going to try it with a brush, but I think I'm going to go in with my finger because I had to use my fingers for one of their other palettes. I think like it just applies glitter so much easier with your fingers. But let's have a try. So I'm focusing. Oh yeah, I'm going to have to, I'm going to use my finger because that was just appalling. So I'm just going to use my finger, and there we, I mean, look at the difference. And I'm going to apply this to the inner part of my eye, across my eyelid. I think I'm then going to take this darker one, just with my other finger, and I'm going to apply this across and also like more towards the middle part of the eye. Yeah, I like that. Them glitters are beautiful. I'm going to deepen up the outer corner just because it blends too much with that darker glitter. And I'm just going to take another one of them Girls with Attitude brushes. This one's a little bit more angled. And I'm going to go in with the dark matte colour. I feel like they've done such a good selection of matte shades and shimmer shades, like glittery shimmery shades as well. I feel like you can make like a full eye out of it. Obviously I haven't used this matte one up here, but you could use that as like a transition colour to begin with, or like a brow bone highlight if you wanted a matte one. But I feel like they've just picked a good colour selection for this palette. And like I said, I'm literally just tapping this in the outer corner just to give a slight amount of definition, like so. And then I'm going to go in with the Morphe brush and just blend this out ever so slightly. Just like that. We've got a tiny little bit of fallout, but nothing too crazy considering we have put a really glittery, foily base on. So I'm not too bothered. I mean eyeshadow. So I'll do the other eye and I'll be back with you in a momento. And then I'm going to take in a little, I don't know, it's like a little fluffy brush. It's a Morphe one, but it hasn't got like a cord or anything in it. It was just like in one of their like cheaper kind of bundles. I remember Mum got me it for Christmas. And I'm going to go in with that dark shade. And the reason I've gone with a smaller one and not the like big one that I used on my lid is because it's just a bit too big. And I want it to be a lot closer to my lash line, just to add that little bit of definition. So I'm literally just doing it like kind of the first half of my lower lash line, just to add, like I said, just that little bit more definition there. I'm not going to lie, I'm so impressed by this palette. And I think if you have kind of green eyes like me, it's just going to make them stand out even more. So I'm going to add some mascara. I'm going to curl my lashes and add some of the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. Absolutely love this mascara, and I always feel like when you have such a dramatic eyeshadow look on, you need a really, really black mascara, and that one is perfect for that. So I'm going to curl my lashes and I'll be back with you in a second. So this is the finished look using the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. I'm obsessed. Fitting with the name. It does retail for £25. In my opinion, I do think it's worth it. Obviously, I do know that you can get bigger eyeshadow palettes for kind of similar price range, but the quality is really good. The glitters are really, really good as well. And I do think it's worth it, especially if you are wanting like a certain kind of colour selection, then it's definitely one to check out. I do see them go on offer quite often as well, so keep an eye out. I know like the Huda Beauty website do sales for it, and I'm sure I've seen it for like £15. And I'm sure Cult Beauty do the same thing as well. So do keep an eye out just in case any of them do go into the sale, but definitely worth it. And I'm super happy that I got it. I got it in the gift bag, the mystery gift bag. I'll leave that link down below if you want to see what else I got in the gift bag as well. But yeah, I'm really, really impressed. And I love it. I think it looks really good on green eyes, so I would highly recommend if you've got green eyes like me. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you tomorrow for a brand new video. All through Vlogust, obviously I'm uploading a brand new video every day at 6, so I should see you tomorrow for a new one. And don't forget I went to a giveaway. Bye guys.